Love sick, the beat inside my head. Waves struck a sea of bitterness. Lights out so low in the blue. Before I found you, days pass slowly, lost and low. You gave me hope, and now there's only blood running in my veins. I've never been here before, and I got love falling like the rain. I never could have.
Ganda mo, girl. Thanks. Sayang makeup.
I'm young forever in the sun. Ever since you came, I'm living ultra light.
Struggle po ng LDR namin, of course po, yung she love language po ng physical touch. Wala po holding hands.
Found me on a basement floor, back when I lost it all. Told me what the fight was for, and I'm not giving up now more. Elevate the life in me, illuminate the in-between. Forever gonna feel this free, and I'm not giving up now. Love sick, the beat inside my head. Waves struck a sea of bitterness. Lights out so low in the blue, but now I found you. Blood running in my veins, I've never been here before, and I got love forever in the sun. Ever since you came, I'm living ultra life. I'm living ultra life. I'm living ultra life. Oh, we're living ultra life. We're living ultra life. I'm living ultra life.
To my Bingdot, may Bibi Love Love. Ito na siguro ang pinakatama kong desisyon na gagawin sa buong buhay ko. Hindi lang dahil mahal kita, kundi naniniwala kong ikaw ang gusto at pinili ng Diyos para sa akin. Ang dami ng tao na nakakasalamuha ko araw-araw. Pero nung dumating ka at nakilala kita sa buhay ko, parang ikaw at ikaw na lang ang nakikita ko.
Ang hindi ko po makakalimutan, no, rainy season,
Naalala ko noon, wala akong payong, and then may payong ka. Although may payong ako sa bag ko, pero sinabi kong wala. Dahil gusto ko may payong sa'yo. Ay di ko alam that time, na-crush mo na pala ako.
Dumating man ang hirap at pagsubok, ikaw at ikaw pa din ang pipiliin ko. It is easy to love someone when things are perfect and everything are wonderful. Pero nandiyan ka pa din kahit sa oras na nasa babang-baba na ako.
I love you so much, my love. This is it.
Such a beautiful night to make a change in our lives. East tangling sky, empty bottle of wine.
Thank you! Hula! Dahil mahilig ka mag-gym, you can use this whenever you have something to do, especially sa gym. So wherever you go, alam mo kung anong time na kasi my love language is quality time.
Why am I feeling so nervous when things are going so perfect? But I know that it's worth it to spend forever with you. And so I count 2, 3 and get
Lagi mo kong hinahatid sa naiyak. Tumatalikod ako sa'yo dahil naiiyak ako dahil ayaw ko kang iwan. But then, no more sundo, no more hatid. Kasi, we're going to be together.
it right, so I'll ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yes. One word, one love, one life.
I thank the Lord because of our journey is a story of grace. You are my story of grace and my sunset.
The gentle touch of the hand, fingers running through hair, lips pressed to her lips, so I was caught unaware. Arms holding me tight, tears in both of her eyes. What a beautiful way to spend the rest of our lives. Sun will reappear, burning auburn and red. My chest was the pillow, green grass lawn was the bed. Last night was the night, one last moment of truth. And what a wonderful way of falling deeper in you.
I vow to love you with all my heart, to cherish and respect you, and to be your partner through every adventure and every challenge that comes our way.
2, 3, and get on one knee and I ask you, darling, honestly, I've waited all this time just to make it right. So I'll ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yes. One word, one love, one life.
Kung tatanungin ako kung sinong mas iyakin sa atin, siguradong ako ang isasagot. Hindi ako nahihiyang ipakita sa'yo lahat ng kahinaan ko. Ikaw ang kalakasan, sandigan at kapahingaan ko.
Some things were just meant to be. Hearts intertwined. Some things were just meant to be. In perfect time. Some things were just meant to be.
Ikaw lang ang mahal ko hanggang sa huling hininga ko. Buong buo kitang iibigin.